I was just telling you what is the quick access toolbar and how you can add new tools here. New tools like, let's say if I always use this tool frequently again and again, then I can put this tool here. Let's say if I want to change the fill color again and again, I just right click here and put it into the quick access toolbar. This is called quick access toolbar. Okay, let's say if I write something here, if I write my name, okay, and I want to change the background color, just go there and apply any color that you want. Okay, through this you can use your quick access toolbar. All these are called tabs: home tab, insert tab, data tab. In every tab you will see multiple options to work there. Multiple options to work there means in a single tab you can see that, let's say I'm in the home tab. Home tab means in the home tab you can see there are multiple groups: font group, alignment group, number group, styles group. We will go through all the tools with the passage of time, but I am just giving you the brief idea, bigger picture of Microsoft Excel worksheet. Okay, when you see a single workbook, this is the name of the workbook. All these are called worksheets. Right now I'm in the Excel training part 2 worksheet. I can rename, I can give color of this sheet as well. Let's say if I want to give the tab color, I can give the different color over there. Right now you can see that I just give the yellow color of my worksheet. In a single worksheet you can see multiple cells, how many columns we have, and column names start with alphabets: A, alphabet B, alphabet C, alphabet D. All these are columns. Columns mean vertical lines. Likewise, how many rows we have? More than 1 million rows in an Excel worksheet. This is a row, and row name starts from numbers: number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And right now let's say if I'm in the cell A1, means you can see in the name box I'm right now in the cell A1. And if I want to jump into the last cell, I will apply the shortcut, that is control down arrow. Automatically it will move into the last cell. Likewise, if I want to move into the last column, I will press control right arrow. Automatically it will move into the last row. And by using control, I can jump into the cells. Then we learned quick access toolbar means any tool that I use frequently, I will put into there. How can I do that? Just simple go there. Let's say if I use this again and again, right click, add to quick access toolbar. Now you can see this has been appeared into the quick access toolbar, because in Excel there are bunch of options, but anyone use the options as per his or her requirement. Then they put the few tools into the quick access toolbar. All these are tabs: home tab, insert tab, draw tab. There are multiple options over there. This is called formula bar. Formula bar. Let's say if I write some number 5, 6. Let's say if I write two numbers and I want to add these two numbers. You can see in the formula bar there are only numbers at the moment, 6, only 6. But if I want to add two numbers, I will apply some formula. And I know definitely you would know that formula always starts with equal sign. Then you will apply any formula. This is very important. First you will start equal sign, then write the function sum. Now you can see by simple apply the function, sum has been highlighted. Then you will press tab, 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 that is behind Q. Automatically you will move inside your formula. Okay, then select the range. Let's say name 1, number 2. Now you can see your both number have been added and you got your desired answer, that is 11. Now in the formula bar you can see that both two numbers have been added. Which one? L6, L7, and I got my desired answer. And the beauty of this function is that if you change the number, let's say if I change, you can see automatically your answer will be updated. Okay, give me the thumbs up if you are clear up till now. Nicole, give me the thumbs up if you are
I'm
clear.
good. Thank you.
Okay, that's great. Now I just apply the sum function over there. Let's say if I want to say to you, let's add a numbers from 1 to 10 and give me the sum. How can I do that? Let's go into the new Excel worksheet. Write some numbers over there. 1, 2, 3, and Microsoft Excel has a very important feature. Let's say if you want to increase the number with certain sequence, just drag it down. Let's say up till here. It will drag your number, and then there is a window for you. You can change, let's say, copy cells to the fill series. Automatically a new series will become for you from 1 to 15. Okay, now I want to add these 15 numbers. How will I do that? Nicole, can you help me? I want to add these numbers. How can I do that? Is equal to
you do the sum, huh?
Then
click on 1 through.
No. Before jump into the cells, press tab. Then you will move inside your formula. Until you move inside your formula, you can't apply any function. That's very important. Then select the range. Now
Wait,
I
can you
want to
repeat
select
that again, please?
Okay, let me repeat it again. Let's say I want to add these 15 numbers. I will start my formula is equal to sum. Now, although I select my formula, but still I am outside from my formula, I will press tab TAB, that is behind Q in my keyboard. Automatically, I will move inside my formula. Now I will add all these numbers. I will select these numbers. Let's say I will select these. Because I want to select all the numbers from 1 to 15, I will use shift function. By press shift, automatically whole cells will be selected like this. Okay, press enter. Now you can see automatically you get your desired answer, that is 120. And in future, if you change this number, let's say if I change it, my answer would be updated accordingly. Okay, can you do this for me again, Nicole? Nicole, can you do this for me? Hello, Nicole? Hello.
Yes. So for this one, you would do G9 equals
Equals sum
parentheses.
For move start the parentheses, I will press tab. Then
Something. Yeah. 5 shift 89 to 89.
and to select all these numbers, I will press shift from my keyboard, then press down.
Yeah.
Now you can see whole range has been selected. Then press enter, automatically you will see your desired answer. Okay, and now you can see in the formula bar, it will tell you that you just add the numbers from G5 to G8. G means column, 5 means row. G5, G6, G7, G8 means I add the numbers from the single column G and the rows from 6, 5 to 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Rajin, can you do that for me again? I want to add few numbers in there. Please add few numbers. These numbers is equal to.
Okay, so you're gonna hit the equal sign, then sum. Type in sum, and then you're gonna hit the tab, and then after tab, you're gonna go up to 65, and then hit shift, and then all the way down to 15230, and then hit enter, and then you should
Very good, very awesome. You are intelligent. You both are in fact very intelligent. Great. Okay, I get my desired answer. likewise you can apply different kind of functions. Okay, let me create a new data set for you. If I create a data set, I'm just creating a dummy data. Okay, and let's say this is for January till May. Now let's do some functions over there. Some maximum, minimum, and average. Now I want to add these numbers. How can I do that? Rajan, can you do this for me now? I want to add the numbers for Jan, Feb, March, April, May in separate these cells. How can I do that? Equal to?
So you would just hit equal sum, and then the tab.
Then, sorry, equal to sum, then tab,
and then click on the top 105 and then shift all the way down, or would you shift all the way over to May? Down.
very, very good. This is the result for January.
Okay, just for January. Okay.
Oh, I did not get my desired answer. Why? Let me change it for you. I don't know why my system is very slow today. Let me refresh it. Just give me a moment. I'm in fact, I have opened so many files. That's why I'm facing this issue. Just give me a moment. Just hold on. Just give me a second. 1 minute. Let me restart my system. I'm just coming in 1 minute. Okay, Nicole.
I'm still here. I'm trying to figure
just-
out how to change
I'm
my.
just coming in 1
screen.
minute. I'm
Yeah.
just